I'm building several small indie apps, like kind of an AI wrapper, so that you can use AI globally on macOS without switching to ChatGPT 1 hour. And I really felt like a benefit from using it. So learning like in that quick amount of time was a lot of fun.
Bringing more people together in the age of like vibe coding and building everything with all the AI tools is crucial, because the people are bringing the ideas. Everybody is different. Someone is a senior software engineer, not willing to touch it, and someone is super excited and willing to build something, and all these people mix together, and without that it's not going to happen.
Windsurf is the first agentic IDE on the market, and it's powered by Cascade, our agentic coding assistant.
Trying to show how the tool can be leveraged. People are starting businesses, people are using it in their professional careers, people are using it for personal software. So it's great to bring people together and find commonality in the solutions that people are using, give each other best practices, tips, and strategies.
Probably practical, yet fast-paced event where people can get together and put together something using natural language and even their creativity within a few minutes. Really think that this is the beginning of something great. Hopefully that will turn into a series of more workshops and further education and immersion into these AI tools.
Surely to see more and more Windsurf events joining hands and growing this partnership further. And of course, here's an opportunity just to see that we can make more in understanding the world of unstructured data and evolving more around coding tools and seeing how more we can explore into different IDEs.